Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to look at the Smart Panel feature on the Infinix devices. This is a brilliant shortcut tool that lives on the edge of your screen on your Infinix phone, giving you instant access to tools and apps in floating windows. It's the ultimate way to speed up your multitasking. So let's get started. First, you will need to open the settings on your Infinix phone. So tap on the settings icon. In settings, find the option called special function and select it. And here look for the Smart Panel. Once you find it, tap on it, of course. And if the feature is disabled, enable it by tapping on the switch right here. Once it ticks on, you will see more options you can basically enable, disable, and change. So once you enable the feature, you can double with some settings like vibration switch. If you enable this option, basically whenever you open the or Smart Panel rather, my bad, the phone will vibrate. You will have a haptic feedback when you open the panel. Then we have this option called Scenario Assistance, or category called Scenario Assistance. And here we have Video Assistant. And if this option is enabled, when you play video on your phone and you open the Smart Panel, you will have additional menu which allows you to do some things like enabling the Do Not Disturb mode, playback in the background, and stuff like that. And you can enable it and disable it for different applications like YouTube, video players like Visha Player, and stuff like that. And then we have the Social Assistant, and this works for the social applications like Facebook and stuff like that. And then we have more features, and this is a category for WhatsApp specifically. As you can see, it tells me to install WhatsApp application to use this. And here, once you install the WhatsApp, you will be able to enable the option to use the flashlight as the notification. So if you enable this option, your phone will flash the flashlight when you have the incoming call on the WhatsApp. Then we have peek mode. It allows you to check the notifications or messages on the notification panel without opening the application, basically. And then we have the sticker maker, and you can make stickers for the WhatsApp if you want to. Okay, let's go back. And now I'm going to show you how this panel works. So basically, to open the panel, you will see this, I would call it like a bar at the side of your screen, and you can grab it and swipe on the screen to open the panel. And here we have different shortcuts for different apps and features. And you can edit this menu by tapping on edit icon right here. And you can remove the features. So if you can remove the icon by tapping on the minus. You can add the icon by tapping on the icon right here on the side menu. Not only you have apps, you have also features like screenshot, or mostly, here we have category called tools. And here we can add more tools, for example, floating windows, lock screen, and stuff like that. So you can customize this menu to your liking, and once you're done, you can tap done. You can also move this menu. So if you grab it right here, you can move it to the left or right side, like this. And like I said before, if you enable feature for the playback for the videos, for example, so if you go to Smart Panel and enable the Video Assistant, and you play back some video, so I'm gonna open the Visha Player, start playing some video, and you open the panel, you have additional settings, and you can take a screenshot, record the screen, you can tap on play in the background, and basically it will turn off the screen, and it will play the video in the background. What else we have there? We have also do not disturb mode, so you can enable the do not disturb mode. You can enable the barrage notifications, and you can tap on the settings icon to open the settings. Let's close this and this, and it also works similar way for the social app assistant. So basically for any like a social application like Facebook, Instagram, and stuff like that. Okay. And I believe that's about all. That's how you enable and use this Smart Panel. Oh, I forgot to mention that if you open application from the Smart Panel, it will open in the floating window. That's why it's a multitasking tool, my bad, because you can open multiple applications, and one of them will be in the window, or even multiple windows if the app supports the floating window, basically. So you can switch between the apps on the go, like that. You can use them at the same time. Okay. So that's how basically you can make your multitasking on your Infinix phone a lot easier. If this video helped you in any way, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.